In this video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot in GOG using two simple methods on Windows. Whether you want to capture your full screen manually or use the built-in Windows screenshot shortcut, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can save your screenshot quickly and easily. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we'll cover the manual method using the print screen key. On your keyboard, find the key that says print screen or print screen. Once you're ready to capture what's on your screen in GOG, press that key one time. This will take a screenshot of your entire screen and copy it to your clipboard. Nothing may appear right away, but don't worry, the image has been captured. Next, open Paint on your Windows computer. You can do this by searching for Paint in the Start menu and opening the app. Once Paint is open, press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste the screenshot into the blank canvas. After you paste it, you'll see the image appear inside Paint. From here, you can crop it, edit it, or leave it exactly as it is. When you're happy with the screenshot, click File, then Save As, and choose the location where you want to store the image. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, then save it in your preferred format. That's the manual method, and it's a great option if you want full control over the screenshot before saving it. Now, let's move on to the faster method using the Windows screenshot shortcut. This method is perfect if you want your screenshot saved automatically without opening another app first. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the print screen key at the same time. When you do this, your screen may briefly flash or dim, which is a sign that the screenshot was taken successfully. Windows will automatically save the image for you, so there's no need to paste it into Paint manually. To find the screenshot, open File Explorer and go to your Pictures folder. Inside that folder, look for the Screenshots folder. That is where Windows saves all screenshots taken with the Windows PrtScn shortcut. You can open the folder, view your image, and use it however you need. So to recap, if you want to screenshot in GOG, you can either press Print Screen, paste it into Paint and save it yourself, or use Windows PrtScn to automatically save the image in Pictures, then Screenshots. Both methods are simple, and the best one depends on whether you want to edit the image first or save it instantly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick PC and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.